Hey guys, I'm going to make a little video, kind of a little restoration video of my spear gun. As you can see, it's in the walls right now, broken rubbers, it's real just dinged up and yeah. A little bit worse wear at the moment, so we've got some new rubbers, got this new shafts on its way. Should be next week some stage, but yeah, got this stuff, got the light oil sanding kit thingy, new rigging, I don't know, whatever. I won't be redoing that until I get the new shaft, but yeah, there's the crimps for that, cutters and crimps. But yeah, pretty much today we're just going to be sanding it back and putting the new rubbers on it so we can use it over the weekend. So hope you guys enjoy this bit of a different video, so we'll see how we go with it. So I'm just going to kind of start by taking everything off the spear gun that doesn't need to be on there for when we're painting or staining, whatever you want to call it. This kind of finished product. I've never really taken the trigger mechanism out, and I've got away without taking them out, so I'm going to do that again. So let's get into the fun part and start sanding. is kind of it. The first hit with the sandpaper, the 80 grit, and then we're going to move on to the 150 grit, get it all up and shining. So this is it, all nice and sanded up, ready for a coat of oil. We've had to relocate again, just so I can try to hang it up somewhere while it's drying, so yeah, we'll get into it. So I just want to get a little lint-free towel. Get a little bit of oil on it, and you just want to give it a nice light coat over the entire gun. So we'll get stuck into it. Should be able to coat the whole thing with it just chilling there. Make it a bit easier for ourselves. There you go. The lighting's not that good, but it's a nice coat of oil on the Rife Euro 1100. I think you meant to wait 24 hours, but I think tomorrow morning we'll get another coat on it. And tomorrow night we'll rig it all back up so we can go try to shoot some dolphin fish on Sunday. Oh well, we'll see how we go, but anyway, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. We're back out the shed again. This gun is feeling pretty damn good. It's looking pretty good. I'll have a quick look at him. Feeling pretty dry, so we'll go ahead and we'll get another coat on it, so hopefully we'll be able to take it diving tomorrow. Yoo. unreal. Looks sick. There you go. Oh, come back in the Savo and rig it all back up. See how we go then, eh? There we go. Have a quick look at her. So she's come up pretty good. And yeah, we're just going to start backing it back together. We'll start down this end. I think all we're going to have to do, get rid of this stuff, bit of lubrication. That's just about it. We'll run this run the shaft back in. We'll have a look at it. So I just retied up that bridle there that came undone, and sorry, I was just gonna tie a bit more mono on the end, crimp it on just to where I hook my float line on, and that'll be it. It'll be ready to go tomorrow morning. Give it a test pull, that's solid. Trim the ends off. clip back on so don't forget that. And there you have it. Fully restored Rife Euro 110. There's our little clip thing we've put on. The new shaft should be here for it next week, and yeah, it'll be like pretty much a brand new gun. There you have it. Cheers for watching that video, guys. A bit different, that one. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments, and maybe we'll do another one like it one day. And yeah, cheers for the support. I'll see you on the next one. You.